they say what a man can do, a woman can do better. In not this kind of work. Because there are some liftings that you need the guys to do.
I think maybe some people are still wondering like, oh, I don't want to spoil my nails. I don't want to. It doesn't matter. I really like want someone like I saw you in the workshop. Are you the one? Are you really this? Do you dress like this? I'm like, of course. Still love to paint my nails, fix my hair. There are things. Go to church. Like you look good. So you can actually do both.
So men will look at female at weaker cells or weaker vessel, but some of them they will not believe that we can tighten in their of their tires. They will think that because of the strength we have, we won't be able to tighten it, lock it very well. But I assure you, with the help of some modern machines, we can do better than that.
When people see me, they'll be like, why did you like doing this job? I said, I just have passion of cars, you know. So they're like, is it not a dirty job and it's a men's job? I said, no, it's not really meant for men. I think the job is for everybody, both men and women. It just depends on you, what do you want?
Mechanic work is good work for the girls. Everybody's choice is different. For the new girls that love to work, can come and join. The work is good for girls.
Everybody must not be a computer personnel, because if all of them pack themselves into computer work, which means we'll be lacking personnel that will be repairing our cars. And as long as human race continues, we must drive car, and we must have people that will repair it for us.
Today, we meet up with Nigeria's foremost lady mechanic who specializes in Mercedes-Benz and have been at it for over 20 years and has also trained other women as well.
So my name is Mrs. Nkwa Ifeyinwa, also known as Madam Benz. Many people know me as Madam Rock because my company name is Rock of Ages, Auto Technologies Nigeria Limited. I've been into this automobile work for decades now, 20 years and above. I specialize on Mercedes-Benz. Loose this here, loose here. Okay. This one is losing already. Loose here, loose this place. This is GL 550 164 W164. We do all kind of Benz here. This is part of the old model. We do like 160, GL 550, 350, ML 166, and rest of them, GLE, GLA, and rest of them. Actually, I must say it's just an inspiration from God. Notwithstanding, I went to technical college. Then along the line, I met the love of my life, which is my husband, and he's also a mechanic. And I have pleasure in doing all this work that's dominated by men. From there, I pick up and established. This is one of my girls. About 3 girls have graduated from my hand. 3 girls have graduated, and I'm working with about 3 girls now. This is one of them. I also have boys. We are still growing. We are still growing. And also have the plan of empowering more girls in this my field, in this my trade of automobile. Because the automobile business is very diversified. There are so many sections there. There are girls that learn AC work. There are some that are into mechanic and auto mechatronic. Some of them are into upholstery section. Those that take care of interiors of any car, so the seat, the dashboard, and anything that is wrong with the interior of a car. So my vision is to have a very big section where I will train girls, ladies, into this my business.
My name is Mary. I'm working here 3 years ago, I'm working with Rock of Ages in Tungamaji.
So why did you decide to learn mechanic?
I look around, I didn't see the work that I love, but I look some of the girls that used to do mechanic work. That is why I decided to do the work.
So it's other people that inspired you to do the work?
Yes, 'cause I love the work.
You love the work?
Yes.
And you've been doing it for 3 years?
Yes.
So what can you do now after 3 years?
I can drop engine and I can mount it back, I can start it. The engine stop on the road, I can do it.
Interestingly, lots of girls in Nigeria have taken interest in mechanic, despite it being a male-dominated job.
Actually, I wanted to be a medical doctor. Maybe because we weren't really open to the way things are in the career world. But when I got to the university, I studied agricultural engineering. And studying agricultural engineering, I realized that there is more to mechanics, to engines and assembling and coupling and the likes. So after having my degree certificate, I got interested in automobiles. I came for the training here, and after the training, I didn't want to leave. I can do suspension repairs, I can do repairs, few repairs on the engine. Though I have not really learned how to overhaul an engine, but at least I can do tune-up on the engine. Tune-up meaning changing spark plugs, doing lubrication service, doing the throttle body service, and some other things. But suspension repairs, a number of suspension repairs I can do, like changing of shock absorbers, the lower arm, the brake pads, linkages, bring it on. I can do that.
Do you consider this profession profitable? And why?
Of course, it's a very lucrative one, especially when you follow customers with truth, because in this our field, I notice one thing, that people are always afraid of mechanic. That when mechanic tell you something, you will not believe it because they can never tell you the truth. It's very profitable, especially when you believe in what you are doing. You know what you are doing. It's very, very profitable. Very lucrative. Very, very lucrative business.
So does it mean you allow your daughter to learn this?
Of course, if she wishes. They are with me. Okay. Anytime they have their holidays, okay, I will engage them in that.
Because now younger people want to do computer, do other things.
Everybody must not be a computer personnel. Because if all of them pack themselves into computer work, which means we'll be lacking personnel that will be repairing our cars. And as long as human race continues, we must drive car. And we must have people that will repair it for us.
When I finished my secondary school, I was like looking for what to do, but there's no money to further my education. So my siblings were like, I should go and learn how to do hairdressing. I said no, I want to do a technical job. I learned the work like 3 years, but now I'm a full staff. My job has to do with electrical parts of the car. If a car is not starting, first thing to do is to check the fuse, check other electrical parts like the wirings and all that. By the time of doing that, you find out that one of those things are bad. Maybe the fuse is bad, that's why the car is not starting, or there's a short to power or ground somewhere. When people see me, they'll be like, why did you like doing this job? I said, I just have passion of cars, you know. So they're like, is it not a daisy job and it's a men's job? I said, no, it's not really meant for men. I think the job is for everybody, both men and women. It just depends on you, what do you want.
We do renovation. If your car is old, we can upgrade. We can even do what is called kankara. We give you a new one and scrap your old one. Whenever you come, just come to us. My workshop is located Wagwalada Area Council, FCT Abuja, along Kaduna Lokoja Expressway by Tungamaje, to be precise. To everybody that is watching me here, is still have your trust on mechanic, because we still have those that you can trust, especially we that are women. You can trust us. Okay. Yes, in this field. I have girls that I have trained. Also, people testify that when we tell you that this is A, it is that A. But don't underrate.
So you say women can be trusted. That means if we see women mechanics, we should not look down on them.
You don't look down on them. Don't look down on them. patronize them and see what they can offer, because in Igbo that adage they say, "N'ụzọ dị mma, aga ya nga na abụọ."